Is up, YouTube? Back here with another review of the Traxxas Stampede 4-wheel drive waterproof and the 4-wheel drive water resistance Catera. This is a type motor, brushless, 50 miles per hour, 35 miles per hour. Yeah, 3,000 mAh, muddy as crap because I went go mud in it. And yeah, still works. It's not Lipo, so don't worry about it. 3,300 mAh, brand new. Never used it. Well, I used it once. It's only once. The bottle for it, beast right there. GoPro mount. Really good suspension. Back suspension is beast. I can get it for you. I can't do it. I can't do it. Okay. But yeah, plastic gear strip. Well, gears. XRS 5 ESC waterproof type motor. 35 miles per hour. Now let's go to this guy right here. The 4-wheel drive water resistant Catera. 4-wheel drive, that's good. Go 4-wheel drive brushless Titan. And brushless motor right here. The ESC thing right here. Not waterproof. Waterproof. Air vent and a turn on thing. Waterproof. Yeah. And yes. And I would recommend for y'all to buy this case for it. I will show y'all. Like, open this things right here. Put one battery in there. Put this guy in here. Put this guy to the side. Stick those wires in there. Put this thing over it. Oh crap! No. Put this guy over it. Wait. And yeah, there you go. Case for it. Nice and safe. Lipo safe. Water not fireproof. Case. Hobo Max. Only $10. Get one of these. You can get the Traxxas. I think it's bigger. But this holds 3 batteries. I only need 3. And yeah, it's cheaper. It's $12 for the Traxxas one they make. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna say about the controllers. 8. You see that red cat, power LED. Oh, this is like a racing controller, and it is a race. Yeah. This is my favorite. This controller I love more. Because look, it's got this handle grip. That thing might have a good handle grip. And yeah. I don't like the wheel. I hate the foam wheel. Yeah, I don't have all that stuff like that red cat racing. Yeah. Turn on right there. Yeah. Well, yeah, guys. That's it of my RC cars. Bye, guys.